Welcome to IBU Data Simplified, your gateway to the exciting world of data analytics and beyond. Our journey begins with Excel, where I delved into advanced functions, laying the foundation for data mastery. We will explore Excel, formulas, tips and tricks, lookups, charts and graphs. Then, we plunged into the world of SQL, extracting insights from databases, like uncovering hidden treasures. In Pythons, we can automate tasks, explore data analysis, and venture into the realm of machine learning. Took our statistical analysis to new heights, adding depth to insights and expanding our data horizons. And then, there is Tableau, a revelation that transformed raw data into captivating visuals. And Power BI, empowering our business intelligence efforts, crafting dynamic dashboards that influence decisions. But this journey is far from over. We will continually explore advanced machine learning and big data technologies. My data analytics journey is an ongoing adventure. Let's unlock the power of data analytics together.